There are two important components to working on an egg farm. Firstly, looking after the hens so they're healthy and able to produce high quality eggs, and making sure that those eggs are safe for humans to eat. When it comes to biosecurity, the first line of defence is the front gate, controlling who and what enters the farm. Because every time something or somebody enters or leaves the farm, it is a biosecurity risk. Only people, vehicles and equipment that need to access the farm should be granted access. A second line of defence, if a person, piece of equipment or vehicle needs to come onto the farm, should be restricting their access to only the areas of the farm they must visit. To manage this, visitors should follow visitors' protocols, such as filling in the visitor log. And contractors or frequent visitors to the farm should be aware of the farm's biosecurity protocols, perhaps even signing a biosecurity declaration. Visitors should be supervised to make sure they comply with biosecurity requirements as they move through the farm. For example, if someone comes onto the farm to fix something on the grading floor, can they access the grading floor without moving between the production sheds? The third line of defence is reducing the biosecurity risk when people, equipment and vehicles do need to enter the farm. Anything entering the farm should be cleaned and decontaminated to reduce the risk of introducing diseases. Vehicles that do enter the farm should have at least their wheels, wheel arches and mud flaps washed. Equipment should be washed and disinfected before it enters the farm. Cardboard egg fillers that come onto the farm should be thrown out and not reused. Your farm has procedures for managing the risks introduced by people, including staff and visitors. This could involve showering, a change of clothes and shoes, or putting on a biosecurity suit. The farm should have a procedure in place which describes how movement onto the farm is managed. If you are not aware of this procedure, ask your supervisor for details.